Okay, what is your name? How old are you? 6. Okay, facing your right, please. You look there. Okay, look at the other side. Now face front. Do you know how to sing? No. Do you know how to dance? No. Smile. Okay, so Wendell, just pretend you're eating a yummy burger. When we say action, bite the burger and say, mmm, so yummy. Can you do that? Okay, you try.
So yummy.
Okay, one more baby. Dapat you're happy. You're smiling while eating the burger.
So yummy.
One more.
So yummy.
Okay, can you just pretend that you are hungry? Say, Mommy, I'm hungry.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
More sad.
More sad.
Oh, you act.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Okay. Can you say, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Mas louder.
Yes.
Okay, smile.